making mayonnaise by yourself, share the egg white from the egg yolk. Put a tablespoon of hot mustard in a Bamix jug, add the egg yolk, a pinch of salt and 25 centilitres of oil. All ingredients must have a warmth of ambient temperature. Fix the whisk in your Bamix, put it vertically in the container and work by speed setting 1. Please take attention that the safety guard is entirely covered. Mix still on the bottom of the container to not add any air until emulsion. Your mayonnaise is ready. Make easily beaten egg whites in delicious meringues. Share the egg white from the egg yolk. Put the egg white in a Bamix jug or in a container which matches with the quantity. Fix the beater on your Bamix and let it dip on the bottom of the container. The safety guard has to be covered. Activate it by speed setting 1. Wait for the emulsion without adding some air. Then, hold it at an angle and draw it up slowly against the side of the container to add air. Mix some icing sugar under your beaten egg white and mix it again for a few seconds to tighten the egg white. Put the sugared egg whites on baking paper. You could sprinkle your meringues with coloured sugar, almonds or pieces of pralines. Bake your meringues by 120 degrees during 1 hour until 1.5 hours, according to their size. A tasty ice cream with red fruits, made in a few minutes. A day before, freeze 500 grams of red fruits or use just frozen fruits. Put the red fruits in a Bamix jug. Add some cream and a tablespoon of icing sugar. Fix the multi-purpose blade on your Bamix and dip it in the container. Mix at speed setting 2 and use a light rotating motion from the wrist. Draw your Bamix up a little and let it fall on the ingredients. Your ice cream is ready. For making easy and delicious tartar of salmon, put some pieces of salmon in a Bamix jug. Add some olive oil, parsley and other spices, and a shallot, and fix the meat mincer on your Bamix. Dip the Bamix in the container, mix the ingredients at speed setting 1, and use a light rotating motion from the wrist. Draw your Bamix up a little and let it fall on the ingredients. Mix the tartar until it is getting the required consistency. Serve the tartar without waiting. No other machine allows you to grate carrots so smooth. Peel the carrots, fix the grate number 1 in the discharge plate. Close the slice side by putting the top part on the bowl and attach the Bamix on it. Activate your Bamix at speed setting 2 and put the carrots in the charging port. There's nothing else for it but to savour the grated carrots.